Ever wondered how other people manage their money but were too shy to ask? We asked for you in Got Money, Got Talk.
Hi, I'm Joseph. I'm 30 this year and work as a HR exec in an MNC. I have about 80,000 in the bank at the moment. My take-home pay after CPF is about 4,000. $800 straight into a savings account, $400 towards a savings and protection plan my parents started for me when I was younger, and $200 covers my mobile bill and MRT rides. So that leaves me $2,600 to spend each month. This month, I ordered a foot massager for mom because she has been complaining about her aching feet. Then one of my platoon mates wanted to propose to his girlfriend on a yacht, so a couple of us chipped in. I also bought Mario Kart 8 for my girlfriend's upcoming birthday and attended a classmate's wedding earlier this month. That's more or less how I spend my money. In general, I think I'm on the right track. But I guess I could think about cutting back on certain spending so I can take over the household expenses when my parents retire. My girlfriend and I have also talked about getting our own place, so that's something I'll have to start saving for as well.